Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. So I focused on two stocks today. There are plenty of stocks in play, which is always kind of a good problem to have, but sometimes it's kind of, I feel like it's hard to narrow it down. I don't want to look at 3 or 4 or 5 stocks. So in this case, I was looking at a stock that I normally don't trade, or both these stocks don't trade, but I was a little worried about Netflix. Actually, I'll start with that really quickly. So I looked at Netflix. Great catalyst with the earnings. Same with the other stock I traded, which was Snap. But Netflix, NFLX, pre-market. Let's take a look here on the 5-minute. It looks like there's some ranges here. It's pretty volatile stock for the most part, and of course the high price point makes it a little iffy. So I did small share size initially. It's kind of on top of each other. I believe I took a short, it popped out, and I stopped out here. So I definitely had a short bias, especially I've seen this long wick in the first minute. Then here we see the crossover, the 9 and 20 EMA. So then I went back and took another short position around 425.47. Covered at 422.78, which is crazy. Just in 1 minute, make a $3 or $4 move. And then I covered the rest of my small share size at 422 and then down to 419, around 58. So that was it. And I didn't like the price action. I didn't like these long wicks. I just didn't feel comfortable. So, I got out. Lucky I probably even made my $5 I made there and just moved on to Snap, which is kind of the opposite. The spread was pretty tight between the bid and the ask. Here, so I felt a little more confident. Just have to use a little more share size with the opposite if you really want to make a little bit of money, just because of the spread size and the price action. It's actually not bad given the great earnings call they had. Very positive. So here, kind of the opposite. It dips down. You see a long wick here. I was at Netflix, so unfortunately, I probably just should have paid attention to Snap. I may have gotten around here with all these. Couple of this price levels plus the 200-day moving average on the 1 minute, so that would have been a nice support for stop loss there. But unfortunately, like I said, I was trading in Netflix, and then I kind of chased, which was pretty bad. Better entry would have been here or here. So I went in around 15.38, sold at 15.45, added, then just broke. Because I was looking for a breakout this level here, and then I just stopped out, and so I took a little bit of a loss there. Look at the price action; came down pretty good for this price of a stock. Saw it held, it extended above VWAP, but it closed above VWAP, and once again it had a wick, and it opens right here. So I took a long position around 15.16, let's say 15.17. Stop loss would have been here, which is pretty wide, but definitely felt good about these levels. And plus, of course, VWAP. I covered around 15.29, 15.31, 15.46, so around this area here. And once again, I added really quickly just to get a quick scalp. I was thinking it might take off given this volume that's coming in here. So I went long at 15.55 and just sold for like 4 or 5 cents. And then pretty much kind of try to get break even, but a little slippage there. So and that was it. I mean, I'm trying to just make small, consistent profits for now until I increase my size, which I hope to do that pretty soon because it'd be nice to make a little bit more and just get comfortable, though, and have a plan, discipline. I was done trading once again by like 9:35, 9:36, 9:37-ish. Of course, if I wasn't happy with my trading and if I was, being a little more patient, I could have definitely got back in later. As we can see, this is a very bullish stock today. So it bounced double bottom here on these levels. You can see these levels are very important. This extended wick probably shook some people out. And then once it breaks through VWAP, it held VWAP, then you could have gone long right here at 15.35. Stop loss been 3 to 5 cents, 10 cents if you want to give a little wiggle room in case of another extended wick here, and just let it rip. And then as you can see here, it went all the way up to almost $16 on this particular case early in the morning. So anyway, it was all good. I met my objectives and goals. at least for this morning, and I was happy with that. We'll see what the rest of the week brings. If tomorrow goes well, which I hope, then maybe I'll definitely maybe sit out on Friday or just do very small, even smaller than I normally do on Friday. So don't give it back away, because that's the worst feeling, to give back any profits you might have made during the week. So, all right, that's my recap for today. Hope everyone else had a good day, a green day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.